Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to PostgreSQL 11 database using Amazon Corretto JDK 8 through JDBC programming. So here you can see that I have already installed PostgreSQL 11 database. So this is the installation directory of PostgreSQL 11 database. And this is a data directory, that is where all the database information are stored here. So this is the data directory of PostgreSQL 11 database. And here you can see that I already installed Amazon Corretto JDK 8. It's a clone of Open JDK 8 project and it is maintained by Amazon. It's a free to use and open source JDK. Next, very important thing, you can see that I already downloaded a PostgreSQL JDBC Driver jar file from PostgreSQL website and copied to one directory. Another thing is we are going to see two basic JDBC programs to connect to PostgreSQL 11 database using Amazon Corretto JDK 8. So before I proceed, you can see that I already started the PostgreSQL database up and running. So it's running on the port 5432. So this pgadmin is a tool bundled with this PostgreSQL database. You can make use of pgadmin tool to connect the PostgreSQL database. So demo table is a table we are going to select all the records from the demo table and going to print in the command line through JDBC programming. So before I proceed to JDBC programming, let me check whether Amazon Corretto JDK 8 is available in the path or not. Yes, so Amazon Corretto JDK 8 is available here. So now let us proceed to the programming. So this is our first JDBC program. So you can see that I have imported all the basic interfaces like connection, result set statement, etc. So driver manager.get connection will establish the connection to the PostgreSQL 11 database, and this is the JDBC URL used by PostgreSQL. Make sure that you have provided the correct JDBC URL inside the get connection method. So here you can see that I have declared the database metadata object. So database metadata object will print the basic information about the database like database name and version, etc. Next, I am going to select all the records from the demo table and print all the records using a result set object. So it contains two columns. So I am selecting all the columns and rows. So finally, I am closing the result set statement and connection object. So all the database logic should be written inside the try catch block. So now let us compile our first JDBC program. Make sure that you have included the PostgreSQL JDBC Driver jar file in the class path as shown here. Yes, compilation is successful. Next, we are going to run this program. So for running this program also, make sure that I included in the JDBC driver jar file in class path. Yes. So we can able to connect to PostgreSQL 11 database using Amazon Corretto JDK 8. So Amazon Corretto JDK 8 supports PostgreSQL JDBC driver. So you can see that database information and demo table are got printed in the command line. So PostgreSQL 11 JDBC connectivity using Amazon Corretto JDK 8 is successful. So now we are going to see another program. So in this program, I am going to insert one record. So I am using the same JDBC URL for PostgreSQL 11. I am going to insert one new record to demo table. So here one major difference is I am passing the insert query to the execute update method. So execute update method used to insert, update and delete the rows in the table. After inserting the record, I am fetching all the records using the result set object. So let me save the file. So I'm going to compile. Same syntax only I am using. Make sure that you have included the PostgreSQL JDBC Driver jar file in the class path while compiling. Yes, I can able to compile. Yes, I can able to run the file also. You can see that new record is got inserted here through JDBC program. So let me verify in the pgadmin tool. So refresh the query once again. Yes. So PostgreSQL 11 database connectivity using Amazon Corretto JDK 8 with the help of PostgreSQL JDBC Driver jar file is successful. So Amazon Corretto JDK 8 supports PostgreSQL 11 database